Hey everybody, how are my Glow Tarts doing today? I hope everybody's well. All right guys, so I do believe we got some sneak peeks of some products or spoilers for the BoxyLuxe September box. Now I do believe these two are going to be variations, but I'm not 100% sure. It is not confirmed yet. And as soon as he does confirm it, guys, I will keep you updated. You always know this. So first of all, Joe put a video post on his Instagram today, and I will be showing you that in just a second. But first, I want to show you what the variations or what the sneak peeks are. First is the Glow Recipe Pineapple Sea Bright Serum. Now, in the video, you will notice that this is sitting right behind him on the table when I do show you the video, so keep your eyes peeled for that one. And then the next thing is the Sunday Riley Tidal Moisturizer. Now, this will be full size, the 50 milliliter, and it is worth $65. Now, he also has another video showing this one where he's trying to kick off the cap. You got to see the clip. It's so funny. So anyways, guys, I'm going to go ahead and shut my flap and let you see the clip.
Alright, yesterday I asked you what you want to know first, the sneak peek for Lux, or I think it was about the new program that we launched. Don't look at the back over there, looking at the jacket. It's not going to be in your box, that's my jacket. But I will reveal as soon as I come back. I actually have to travel tonight. And once I'm done with my travels, which is not too far, I swear to you, I will let you know the first sneak peek. Lux, and then that's it. And then we're going to go from there and tell you about something really big that's been cooking with Boxycharm. I will keep you informed about other things as well during my trip.
So guys, what do you think about this? Comment down below. Again, I'm thinking this is going to be for September BoxyLuxe. And then again, my girl over at Boxycharm Sneak Peek on Instagram also seems to think the same thing. So always comment down below what you guys are thinking. And as always, Boxycharm is linked below if you want to go check them out. If there are any more sneak peeks or spoilers or anything revealed, I will keep you guys updated. So always make sure your bell is on, that way you're notified of every single video I upload. You do not want to miss any spoilers. Also guys, rate the video for me if you would. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, thumbs down if you didn't. That shows me exactly which videos you guys have been enjoying and which ones I need to adjust just for you. And one more tiny favor before you guys go. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join my Glow Tart family. We would love to have you. And I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.